Hey everyone, in this lesson I'm going to show you how you can use the match color filter to help you match the vibes between different layers when you're compositing multiple images together. So inside of Photo RAW here we have two different layers that we want to blend together into a very basic composite. We have this mountains layer here on top, and then we have our base layer. So I'm just going to do some quick masking here. I'm going to grab my gradient mask tool, drop this down, flip it around, and pull this down a little bit to make it appear as if we're in one cohesive scene. Now, taking a look at this composite, it looks a little bit unnatural because the two images are a little bit different in tone and color. So what we can do is we can use the match color filter to match up the vibes between these two different layers. So I'm going to go into my base layer here. I'm going to go into the effects tab. I'll add a filter. I'll add the match color filter. And within match color, we can use this reference menu to grab the layer right on top, that mountains layer there. We can select that, and it's going to match the vibe of that layer to our base photo here. So within just seconds, we've already matched up the tone and color of our top layer to make this composite a lot more natural. Now within match color, you can also modify these different sliders to fine tune and fit your scene, but I think it's doing a pretty great job there. We can also do the same thing to the top layer. So we'll select mountains. In the effects tab, we'll add a filter. We'll use match color. And then for our reference photo, we'll grab that base layer. And now it's matching this vibe down here with this top section of our scene. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks using ON1 in your editing.